Hey, what's up everybody? I want to do a quick review on this furnace air filter made by Filtrate. We've been using these probably for the last 5 to 6, maybe even 7, 8 years. Cannot say enough good things about these. They work. The model I've got here, the size I've got is actually a 20 by 25 by 1. That's what our furnace takes. We switch ours out probably about every 4 months roughly is what I'm going to guess. So they are built to last. They do a great job at catching dirt and debris or anything that gets sucked down to your furnace. So again, extremely happy with these. It does tell you on here which way to put them in there, where airflow is coming from and the direction and everything. So I decided to go with these because this is kind of like middle of the road, so it's not super thick, not super thin. They're just right. From my research, from what I gained, furnaces kind of need to be able to breathe, so this is what I settled on. And again, we've been using these for years, and like I said, every 4 months roughly is normally when we switch them out. So really happy with them. And there is an easy way to look. Probably can't really see that on camera, but when you take them out, you can like hold them up to a light and see how dirty they really are. So that's another great feature as well. They do come with this reinforcement built into it. So like the furnace can't suck it into the furnace, the blower motor. So that is awesome as well. So yeah, really happy with these. If you're looking for something new, maybe on the fence, would highly, highly suggest these.